Airflow mesh PC cases improve ventilation, reduce heat buildup, maintain stable performance, and extend hardware lifespan during gaming, heavy workloads, or overclocking. Today's video is about top 5 best Airflow mesh PC cases that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Mustex Type-C Mid-Tower Computer Case. The Mustex K2 Gaming PC Case is a stylish and feature-packed chassis designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want both performance and visual appeal. With its 270 degrees dual-tempered glass panels, this case offers a stunning panoramic view, allowing users to proudly display high-end components and RGB lighting setups. Cooling performance is a major highlight of the K2. It comes pre-installed with 6 PWM RGB fans, delivering excellent airflow and vibrant lighting effects. Through motherboard software, users can customize fan speed and lighting modes to match their setup while maintaining efficient cooling that helps extend hardware lifespan. The spacious interior supports a wide range of hardware, including GPUs up to 420mm, CPU coolers up to 178mm, 360mm top-mounted liquid radiators, and PSUs up to 238mm, making it suitable for powerful gaming builds. The upgraded I/O panel with USB 3.0 and Type-C ports ensures fast connectivity for modern devices. With thoughtful features like magnetic dust filters, optimized airflow design, and sturdy tempered glass, the Mustex K2 delivers practicality, cooling efficiency, and a premium look, making it a strong value choice for custom PC builders. Now our second product is Lienli Genuine Walnut Wood Computer Case. This modern PC case delivers an impressive balance of cooling performance, flexibility, and elegant design, making it a great option for gamers and PC builders. It comes with 5 pre-installed fans, including 2 large 170 by 30mm front fans, 2 120mm reversed blade fans, and a 140mm rear fan, ensuring excellent airflow to keep both the CPU and GPU cool during demanding workloads or gaming sessions. The case also offers versatile cooling customization with toolless fan mounting and flexible placement options. The default configuration provides balanced cooling, but the front fans can be raised into CPU mode, directing airflow more directly to the processor for improved thermal performance. A standout feature is its stylish real wood accents, available in dark walnut or light beech, giving the case a modern and premium look that stands out from typical gaming designs. Functionality is equally impressive, with dual PSU mounting options that simplify cable management and support power supplies up to 220mm. Support for back connect motherboards keeps cables hidden, while dual power buttons provide convenient access regardless of how the PC is positioned. Our third product is Foifken ATX Mid-Tower Gaming PC Case. This PC case stands out with its dual-chamber design, which separates the main hardware from the power supply and storage drives. This smart layout not only improves airflow and cooling efficiency but also makes cable management much cleaner and easier, resulting in a more organized build. The case features a fully transparent, high-hardness tempered glass panel that beautifully showcases every component inside. Whether you're displaying RGB lighting or high-end hardware, the clear panel creates an impressive visual presentation for any gaming setup. Cooling is a major strength of this case. It comes pre-installed with 7 120mm RGB PWM fans, 6 reverse fans and 1 forward fan, delivering strong airflow and vibrant lighting effects. For advanced cooling setups, the chassis can support up to 3 360mm radiators simultaneously, making it ideal for high-performance gaming or workstation builds. In terms of compatibility, the case supports ATX, Micro ATX, and ITX motherboards, GPUs up to 400mm, and power supplies up to 200mm, along with space for 1 HDD and 2 SSDs. Overall, it's a stylish and powerful case designed for performance-focused PC builders. Now number 4, Gambia's ATX Mid-Tower Computer PC Case. The Gambia's Tailus E3 Mesh WH is a compact mid-tower PC case that blends clean aesthetics with reliable airflow, making it an appealing option for modern gaming builds. Its snowy white exterior gives the chassis a sleek and premium appearance, while the minimalist design keeps your setup looking neat and organized. Cooling performance is handled by 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans positioned behind the mesh airflow front panel. This setup not only improves ventilation but also produces vibrant RGB lighting effects visible from the front and side of the case. The mesh front design helps maintain steady airflow, ensuring stable temperatures during gaming or heavy workloads. A solid PSU shroud at the bottom hides the power supply and excess cables, creating a cleaner internal layout and enhancing the overall presentation of your components. Meanwhile, the panoramic tempered glass side panel allows users to showcase their gaming hardware and RGB lighting in style. The case also supports one-click ARGB synchronization with compatible motherboards, allowing the entire lighting system to stay perfectly coordinated for a unified and visually stunning PC setup. And our last choice is Antec Full Tower ATX PC case. The Antec C8 Wood Mid-Tower PC case delivers a unique blend of premium materials and powerful cooling capabilities, making it an excellent choice for modern PC enthusiasts. Crafted with a combination of metal, tempered glass, and real wood accents, the case offers a refined and high-end aesthetic that stands out from typical gaming chassis. Cooling performance is a major highlight. The case supports up to 12 fans simultaneously and comes pre-installed with 3 Tranquil 140 PWM fans at the front, 2 P12 or PWM reverse fans on the PSU shroud, and 1 Tranquil 140 PWM fan at the rear. Its multi-directional vent design ensures efficient airflow throughout the system, helping maintain stable temperatures during heavy workloads. An innovative I-Shift PSU 90 degrees mounting design improves cable routing and interior space management. The built-in CPU and GPU dual temperature display also allows users to monitor system thermals easily in real time. For advanced cooling setups, the case includes removable brackets on the top, front, and PSU shroud and supports simultaneous installation of a 420mm and a 360mm radiator, making it ideal for high-performance builds. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.